Here is a 2021 iPad mini and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know that the iPad mini is actually on. Maybe you can hear notifications coming in and so on. The only thing is it's on, it's just that there's a black screen or blank screen and it doesn't turn on. I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running. By the end of this video, at least 75% of you guys should be up and running, okay? So first thing as I mentioned is this one here is actually fixed. But let's pretend I have a black screen here. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and restart it using a special key combination. Now if you look above the iPad mini here, we have volume up, volume down, and the power button. So what I want you to do is this. We want to press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold this power button and do not let go until we see an Apple logo appear. Then we can let go. So we'll do it together. Ready? Volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button and do not let go. Okay, pretend my screen here is black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding onto that power button now, waiting for a Apple logo to appear. So keep holding. Okay, it turned off. I'm still holding the power button here, waiting for the Apple logo to appear. There it is. Go ahead and let go and let this boot back up, and hopefully you no longer have a black screen. If you still do, we're going to go to step number 2. Okay, so step number 2 here, what we're going to do is, first of all, if you guys have a case on here, go ahead and take the case off. Next thing is go ahead and grab your charging cable. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. Give it a little bit of power, a little bit of juice. As soon as you plug it in, you should be able to hear that sound. Pretend my screen here is still black. While it's plugged in, charging, we're going to do the same thing. Ready? Volume up, volume down. Press and hold that power button and do not let go until we see a Apple logo. So I'm still holding onto the power button here. Still holding, and it's still charging. Just holding. Still holding the power button. Where's that Apple logo? There it is. Go ahead and let go of the power button. Hopefully you are back up and running. If not, we're going to go to step number 3. So step number 3, you can go ahead and unplug it now. Again, let's pretend that my screen is black here. What we're going to do is what I call the tap method. Go ahead and hold your iPad mini like this. We're going to use 2 fingers and we're going to tap all over the screen and all over the back. Okay. Now the whole premise behind this is something could be slightly dislodged, and a couple taps can pop it back into place. Okay. So hold it like this. Grab 2 fingers and just start tapping. Start tapping, and sometimes when you're doing this, your screen will automatically pop on. Sometimes you may get some white lines. Sometimes you may get half a screen. Just keep on tapping here. Okay, mine's still black, no problem. You turn back over and do the same thing on this side now. Tap kind of hard, even around the lens here. Tap kind of hard, all over the lens, okay? Just keep on going, keep on tapping. Turn it over and see if it's on. If it's a black screen, no problem. Same thing. We're going to go ahead and do the restart with the special key combination. Remember, volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button and do not let go until we see an Apple logo appear. Pretend my screen is black here again. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding onto this power button, waiting for an Apple logo to appear. Still holding onto the power button. Where's that Apple logo? There it is. Go ahead and let go. And now hopefully you are up and running. If not, we're going to go to step number 4. Step number 4, all right, it's the same premise with the tapping method, except this time what we're going to do is what I call the massage method. What we're going to do is we're going to actually go ahead and massage your iPad mini. You can get a paper towel or some kind of rag or something if you don't want to smudge up your screen. It really doesn't matter. Basically, just go ahead and hold your iPad mini like this. Use your thumbs here and just press in. Massage it, press in. Press in kind of hard, okay? Press in. You can see how press all over, press. And the same thing. Sometimes you're doing this, you might hear a little click, or all of a sudden your screen just might pop on. Maybe you'll get like half of the screen may pop on. Maybe you get some white lines. But just keep on pressing all over. And the same thing on the back here. Turn it over and do the same thing on the back. You want to press in, press. Give it like a nice massage, press kind of hard. Use those thumbs, okay? Use those hands all over, okay? Even around the camera lens, press all around the camera lens. Press all over, press. Turn it over, see if it's on. If it's not, do the same thing. Remember, volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button and do not let go until you see an Apple logo appear. Once it appears, you can go ahead and let go. Hopefully you're up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next possible solution. Okay, so you still have a black screen. Next thing I want you to do is this. Just go ahead and hold out your palm like this. You can put a rag on there if you wish, if you don't want to dirty up your screen. But the same premise as the other 2 previous steps. What I call this the Smac Method. What we're going to do is hold the iPad mini like this, and we're going to smack it all over the screen and all over the back as well, okay? So go ahead and hold it like this, and we're going to go ahead and give it a couple of whacks. Kind of look at it. Sometimes again, it might pop on. You might get some white lines. You might get half a screen, and also on the bottom of the screen. Okay, flip it over, bang it on the bottom here. Look it over. Okay, still black screen, no problem. Now we're going to do the back here. So go ahead and give it a couple of whacks on the back here, also on the back top. Give it a couple of whacks. Look at the screen. Hopefully it's on now. If it's not, do the same thing. Remember, volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button and do not let go until we see an Apple logo appear. Then we can let go. So you still have a black screen. Next thing I want you to do is this. Okay, so listen up closely. I want you to take this iPad mini naked, as is, just like this, no case or nothing. I want you to go to your refrigerator and put this in your freezer, the coldest part of your refrigerator. And I want you to leave it in there for like between 15 to 20 minutes. Just leave it in there just like that. After 15 to 20 minutes, come back, grab your cold iPad mini out of the freezer and do the same thing. Go ahead and use the special key combination to restart it. Remember, volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button and do not let go until you see an Apple logo appear. Then go ahead and let go. Now, the thing is, if you tried all of these steps and you still have a black screen, then what I want you to do is start from the step number 1 and try every single step again. It doesn't work a second time. Try it 4 times, 5 times. Try it at least 7 times. Sometimes the 7th time is a charm. Try every single step. Anyway, if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up and comment which method you think worked for you. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should see at least a 75% thumbs up, guys. All right? Good luck.